In today's video, I am going to solve a few problems on adjacent of matrices, and this topic is from matrices and determinants, and this is related to the Diploma Mathematics 1. So first of all, we have to find the adjoint as well as the inverse of the matrix of a 2 by 2 matrix. So here is the 2 by 2 matrix. So here A is given as this is 1, 2, this is 3 and this is minus 5. So for finding adjoint as well as inverse, see the formula here for A inverse is equal to 1 by this is AD minus BC into this is D minus B minus CA. So this is the formula. So using this, so this value is A, this value is B, this value is C and this value is D. So this will be the adjoint. So see here. So A inverse is equal to, see the value, A inverse is equal to 1 by A into D. So 1 into minus 5 minus this is 3 into 2 and this is D. What is D here? Minus 5. This is minus B and this is minus 3 and this is 1. So A inverse is equal to 1 by this is minus 5 minus 6 and this is minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So this value will be A inverse value is equal to, so this is minus 11 and this is minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So if you observe this one, so this is the adjoint. So adjoint of A is equal to, so adjoint of A is nothing but D minus B minus C and A. So the value here is, this is minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So this is the adjoint and here is the inverse. So this is how we have to find out the adjoint as well as the inverse, and the rest are leaving for you. And next, find out the adjoint and the inverse if exist for the following matrices. If exists, see here. So this was asked. So here A is equal to, this is 0. So this one is 8, this is 2 and this is 3, 9, 5, this is 6, 0, 6. For finding the adjoint, first of all, we have to find out the cofactor of the matrix. For finding the cofactor of the matrix, in my previous videos, I gave you a vivid clarity on finding the cofactor of the matrix, and here I am straightly doing this one. So here, see, this is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and this is plus, minus, and plus. So here, this is row 1, row 2, and row 3. So this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. So if you compare, then this will be A11. So this is A12, and this is A13. So first row, and first column, second column, and third column. If you observe, this is an element of a second row. See here, this is a second row and first column, second column and third column. So if you see the element here, so this is from third row and first column, second column and third column. So if I add up this minus 1 power, so see here the cofactor of a matrix is equal to minus 1 power row number plus column number into minor of the element. See here, this is the formula. So this is minus 1 power 1 plus 1. So it is square here. So we got plus. So this is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 negative. So we got negative. So this is 1 plus 3 4 even number positive, like that we got this one. So next we have to find out the minus of each element. So for 1, so for the first element is 0. So for A11, for this element, for 0 the minor will be. So we have to close this row as well as this column. For the minor, so we have to close this corresponding row as well as this column. So what remains here, this is 9506. So this is 95 and 06. And the next one here is A12. So for A12, again we have to close this row as well as this column. So if I close this row and column, this is 3566. So this is 3566. And the next one here is A13. So for A13, now we have to close this row as well as this column. So this is 3960. So this is 3960. And for this position B21. So for B21, so we have to close this row, second row. So if I close the second row, see here, and first column, the position of 2, 1. So this is 82. So this one is 8206. And the next one is B22. So for this position, we have to close this row as well as this column. And what remains? 0266. And the next one, B23. So for this position, I have to close this row as well as this column. Then this will be 0860. This is 08. This is 60. And the next one here is C. First row and second column. The minor will be. So I have to close this one. So this is 31. So if I want the minor of this element, I have to close this row as well as this column. So after closing this row and column, what remains here? 8295. So this is 82, this is 95, and this is column row 3 and column 2. So row 3 and column 3. So this position I need. So I have to close this row as well as this column. This will be 0235. This is 02 and this is 35. And this is row 3, column 3. And this will be, see here, this is 08 and this is 39. So after finding all these, see here, after finding all this, so this is 9 6 is 54. So this is 54 minus 0. The value here is 54. And the next one is 18 minus 30. So here this value will be 12. So this is 30 minus 18. The value here is 12. And the next one is 0 minus 54. Again this is minus 54. And if you see, this is 48 minus 0. The value is 48. Here this is 0 minus 12. The answer is minus 12. Here this is 0 minus 48. This is minus 48. So this value is 8 5s are 40 minus 80. 18. So this is 40 minus 18. So the value here is 22. And this is 0 minus 6. The value here is minus 6. This is 0 minus 24. The value here is minus 24. So after getting all these, so I have to represent here. So this is minus 1 power, the row number plus the column number. So after that, so I have to write all the positions here. A11 minor is 54. So this is value is 54, and A12 value is this is 12, and this value is so this value is minus 54. So this is minus 54, and this value, this position value is B21. B21 value is 48. So this one is 48, and this is minus 12, and this value is minus 48. So it will become plus 48. And the next one is, this is 22. So this value is minus 6, and this will become plus 6, and this is minus 24. Therefore, we got the cofactor. So we got the cofactor of the matrix as, see, the cofactor matrix is nothing but, this is 54 minus 48, this is 22, and this is minus 12, and this is minus 12 again, this is plus, this is minus 54, this is 48, and this is minus 24. So after getting the cofactor, so we have to find out the adjoint. So adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor. So we have to transpose the cofactor matrix. So this will be, this is 54 minus 48, 22, and this is minus 12, 6. This is minus 54, and this is 48, and this is minus 24, and this is the adjoint. So for finding, so what was asked? To find the adjoint as well as the inverse of the matrix. So for finding the inverse, so we need, so here what is A? So A is equal to, this is 082, so this is 395, this is 606. So we have to find out the determinant. For finding the determinant, I have already shown you. So for 0 into modulus of, so we have to close this row as well as this column. So for closing this row as well as this column, see what remains here. So for closing this one, so this is 9506, and for the middle one I have to write -8, and again I have to close this row and column. So this is 3566, and the next one here is +2 times of. So now I have to close this row and column. So this is 3960, and see here this value is completely 0. This is 8 times of, this is 18 minus 30, and this is 2 times of 0 minus 54. This is minus 8 times of, this is 18 minus 30. The value here is minus 12, and this is 2 times of minus 54. And see here, this is plus 96 minus, so this is 108. So this is 108. 96 minus 108 value is minus 12. So this value is minus 12 after getting the determinant of A. So we have to find out the value of A inverse. For finding the A inverse, as you know that, so A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint. So what is the adjoint? So adjoint is nothing but, so this is 54. So this is cofactor, no? So adjoint is nothing but this one. So this is adjoint of A. So this is adjoint. So this is 54. This is minus 48 22. This is minus 12, minus 12 6. This is minus 54. This is 48, and this is minus 24. And this is how we have to find out. So again I am writing, so adjoint is equal to, A inverse is equal to, this is adjoint of A by determinant of A. So thank you so much for watching, and in my next video I'll be posting the solutions for the next most important questions. Have a look at those. Thank you so much.